Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a very simple subject. Chlorine tablets, wrapped or unwrapped, which is really better? And do the wrapped ones really do what they're supposed to do? Let's see. Alrighty gang, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching. Remind you to like this video if you do, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who has a pool. Really quick shout out to my friends over at Sunday Afternoons, sundayafternoons.com. They're the ones who make this wonderful hat that I have, and people have asked me about it. So if you're interested in getting a hat like this, feel free to look in the description of this video below, and I will put a website address for sundayafternoons.com. Also, I will put a direct link to the page that has this hat, which is the adventure hat, so you can order one for yourself as well. Alrighty, so today I am talking about chlorine tablets, wrapped or unwrapped. There's a lot of people talk about, I love the wrapped tablets because they keep the chlorine off my hands and they're so much safer, etc., etc. Honestly, I have worked with both, and I will tell you this very simply. The wrapped tablets really don't do what they're supposed to do, which is they're supposed to protect your hands from the actual chlorine, right? So this is a wrapped tablet, all right? And I can smell some chlorine on it. So here's the deal. The theory is, as you open this, you can just drop it right in your floater or your inline chlorinator or deck chlor. Excuse me, I'm about to sneeze because of the chlorine powder. There you go. But theoretically, it's supposed to protect your hands from the chlorine, all right? But here's the thing. When you open this, the powder that's inside of there is gonna just kind of fly around. And if you dump it in the chlorinator, a lot of times you have to handle the thing with your hands anyway. I can tell you this, every time I've used wrapped tablets, I've still ended up with my fingers stinking of chlorine. So I don't believe that the wrapped tablets do much good. If anything, they're more of a pain because you have to open them and everything. So my suggestion, real simple. Go with the unwrapped tablets and get yourself a pair of these. These I got at a dollar store for $1, and they're just salad tongs, okay? And then you can just reach into your bucket, pull out an unwrapped tablet, and drop it in your floater without ever getting your hands near the chlorine tablet. This is my suggestion. So, short video, the verdict, unwrapped tablets, waste of money, waste of time, don't really do what they're supposed to do. Some of you might feel otherwise, but again, I've used both, and I've never had a wrapped tablet not result in my hands stinking of chlorine, because my hands eventually come in contact with some residual of the chlorine powder. With the tongs, no problem at all. So there you go. So folks, that is my really short video on chlorine tablets, wrapped or unwrapped, which is better. You may have a differing opinion, but again, in 20 years of doing this, I have found that the unwrapped tablets are fine. I can use them faster. They're good tablets. Obviously, they're the same chlorine tablets. The only difference is they're not wrapped, so it's easier to get them and use them. Just use a pair of those dollar store salad tongs and you'll be in good shape. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please feel free to post them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly, and my email address will come across the bottom of the screen. As always, it's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Thank you again for watching. I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and share. And until I see you next time, remember, have fun, be safe, and always, always, always watch those kids and pets and elderly people around water. And I'll see you next time.